순서대로 해야지. 네. 아무도 다치지 말고. 네. 원, 투, 쓰리.
Well, Rain, welcome to Talk Asia. This is your first concert in Korea this year. Your performances are known to be amazing. Your tickets sell out in seconds. Is this what it's all about?
I'm always grateful to all the fans who come to see me, and it makes me very happy. I try to put on the best performance I can for those fans. And I think you can say concerts to me are like life on a smaller scale.
Rain, how do you put these shows together? What's the process and what's your involvement?
For a single concert, roughly 200 staff members work together to prepare for it. The first thing I think about is how to make it innovative, and the second is to try something that's never been done before. We want a show that has a variety of things going on, but still looks natural. A lot of people, not only myself, put in a lot of hard work to make this happen.
You are the biggest pop sensation in Asia. How does it feel to be in your shoes?
There are times when I wonder, is this a dream or is this real? I'm very thankful for all the people I've been able to meet in Asia through my dramas, concerts, and other productions. And I'm grateful for the love they've shown me. I don't know how long it's going to last, but I guess the most important part is to keep on doing my best and maintaining what I've done so far.
But there is a lot of competition out there. What makes you special? What makes you stand out from the rest?
Trying my best is what's most important. You also need to have that one thing that you're better at than everyone else, which means you need to be irreplaceable. So for me, I need to try my best at all times, because there's always going to be someone out there who's better than I am and has more talent than I do. That's why it's important to develop what I have and make myself a better person. I believe that if you give it your best, something will always come out of it. And that, for me, I think, has been my special thing.
Now, you're part of this Korean cultural wave, Hallyu, as it's known. It's just taken over Asia: music, soap opera, film, video games. Korea's really enjoying this golden age. What is it about Korean culture that resonates so well?
I think the reason why Korean TV series and songs have become so popular elsewhere is because there's a lot of talent compared to other countries. The ingredients, as I like to call it, are good. A lot of very skilled writers, directors, and singers have been around for a long time. But with the internet, it's now possible to access all of this content within a matter of seconds, which is why, compared to before, things have spread quickly and become popular among the public.
There are recent reports, though, that this cultural wave is waning. At one point, I think Korean cultural exports surpassed 60% growth, and now it's just over 10%. What do you think has changed?
The biggest problem, I think, is the term Korean wave. It doesn't sound right. It's a bit too self-centered. It shouldn't just be about exporting our own culture. We should use each other's cultures and exchange ideas. Let's say China with Korea and Korea with Japan, and not use the term Korean wave. I think the word Hallyu can actually create anti-Hallyu sentiments because it sounds so unilateral, which could be why some of the dramas and other things are losing popularity compared to before. It should be more about exchanging cultures and not just introducing to others what we have.
한국의 드라마나 이런 작품들을
Second, I think that because of the popularity in the market, a lot of people have jumped in for the money. And by introducing work with low quality, I think they've caused a loss of faith to some extent.
버린 것이 아닌가
These, I think, are the biggest problems right now.
문제점이 아닐까 생각이 됩니다.
What role can you play to ensure that this wave doesn't subside?
제가
When I'm out there doing my work, I think what's most important is sincerity and trying my best.
움직일 때에는
So I'll give it what it takes. But when I'm struggling, I'll show people that I'm struggling. And not only do I introduce people to the Korean culture, I also try to introduce cultures from other countries.
그렇게 좀 활동을 하죠. 네.
추억 속에 살아 너는 나를 떠났지만 했던 약속은 아무것도 아닌 건지 나는 웃으면서 나의 얘기를 하더라 죽을 것 같지 난 아파 단지 단 한 번만
People used to like men with more westernized looks, with double eyelids.
Did you ever consider getting cosmetic surgery?
것들이 너를 원하잖아